Hey everyone, welcome to World Cultures in 6th grade. I'm Carrie Visker and I'm so sorry that I'm not able to be there with you tonight. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're getting to enjoy your student schedules and walk around the building and see everything that they see. It's been a great year so far. Kids are fantastic. I thought I would talk you through a little bit about world cultures and where you can find information and how you can locate things here at Chisholm Trail. And the first thing I'll show you is what it looks like when the kids go to Schoology. In the World Cultures courses, if you click on Materials, you'll see several things. The first thing is a weekly calendar. Every day I have listed out what we're going to be doing that day. I also have some links you might find useful. One is the daily bell schedule. This is especially helpful if you're joining your student for lunch or if you're wondering what time to pick them up. My web page is linked here. My Gmail is linked here. And then the two websites that we use primarily in World Cultures, Culturegrams, and the CIA World Factbook. All of these things are here every single week for your student. As you scroll down, you'll notice that I organize material by the weeks. So this week, you'll notice that Tuesday, today is September 6th, there is a pear deck that we did together in class. Some students received a latitude and longitude review, and some students received an institutions pear deck. It just depends on where your student is. Also, I'd like to show you my website. Not super fancy, but it has good information on it. As you scroll down here, guys, you're going to see the social studies goals that are set forth by the district, by the Round Rock School District. You're going to see our school phone number here, and this is my extension. You're welcome to call and leave a message, but I do not answer the phone during class, and I don't always remember to check messages after school. Best way to get a hold of me is through email. Again, it's linked on Schoology if you have access to that, or you can click down here on tutoring information. This gives you the gist of world cultures, the gist of social studies, what supplies kids will need. Kids will never need a cell phone, so if you don't want them to bring it or don't feel it's necessary, they could leave it at home. We do take them up at the beginning of every class. You'll notice that we do 50% formative assessments, which would be like daily assignments, and then 50% is summative assessments, which would be a test or a major project. That breaks down straight even for us in social studies, 50-50. And then down here is where you're going to find a link to my email. If there's anything you need to know, any information you're wondering about. I do offer tutoring. I do offer tutorings in the mornings before school. It's pretty rare that a student will need tutoring in world cultures. However, if there's a concept they're not quite getting or some information they need more help with, I'm always there in the mornings if they would like to help. Tuesdays I have duties, so it'll be Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I hope you're having fun. If there's anything else that you can think of that you need to contact me about, I'm available for you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Enjoy the rest of your night.